So what is up, you guys? We are back once again working on Jose's car, and we're taking the whole KA engine apart. So that's the whole gist of this video. Put together a cool montage for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So far they've got just a valve cover, water pump, front timing cover, that type of stuff off. We're gonna try and get the whole thing taken apart, the whole head and block disassembled. They're making a mess over here now. But yeah, wish us the best of luck.
Here's anything.
Alright, you guys, so we're on the ground now. I don't know how we got there. But we're taking the crank cradle off to get the crankshaft off, and then everything's disassembled. Alright, you guys, so we are finished up here today. I know there's not much talking or explaining going on in these videos, or this video, but we got the whole, everything taken apart for the Jose's KA. So I'll just show you guys this table that we got parts laid out on, and the block and everything. And yeah, he's probably gonna get this stuff sent to the machine shop soon and just start getting all the machining worked on. While that's going on, we'll probably be prepping a lot of the stuff to go back together. And yeah, so the engine's coming together pretty good. Well, not coming together, it's coming apart pretty good, and it should be coming together pretty soon, and Jose should be back on the road here in the future. So yeah, so with that being said, I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, then please do leave a like. Also follow us on social media. We got Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook also. Follow us on there. if you guys have any questions about what we're doing in these videos or anything, just hit us up, and we'll try and get back to you as soon as possible, which me and Jose are running the Instagram account and Snapchat and stuff like that, so if you guys have any questions, we get back to you guys pretty fucking fast. So hit us up whenever you guys feel like it, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. So later, you guys.